morning! Welcome to a day style vlog. I'm going to be taking you along with me throughout the day. I have a few things I need to get done today specifically, and then I have some errands to run. This morning I tried to get a head start on some editing, so I had a mini morning editing session, and now I'm about to take Deckard for a walk, and then after that I'm going to get ready for the day. I'm going to either run my errands first or do some work on my tablet. One of the art pieces I'm working on right now is a commission sample. I'm using Toast as a model for some pet commissions. So I'm working on that today. I want to get that finished because I've been taking my sweet time with it. And then I also want to bake this cake that I've been seeing on Pinterest lately. Yeah, it's been on my mind. So when I go do my errands, I'm going to pick up the ingredients for that cake as well and do that today. I also need to go to the gym, so I have to fit that in sometime. But yeah, the main thing is finishing up editing a video that by now will already be out, and then also working on that commission sample. Today's vlog is going to be really chill. I've had quite a busy week, so yeah, today I just kind of want to hang out, bake a cake, and get some easier work done. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go take Deckard for a walk, and I'll see you outside. Here's my finished spread of toast. I went back and forth on the colors for a long time, but I decided on this pink and green combination. So now that this is done, I think that I'm going to take care of my errands and go get ingredients for my cake and start on that while it's still relatively early in the day. So I'm gonna get that done. I was craving a chantilly cake this morning, so I went to the grocery store to pick up my ingredients. And don't look at that pizza trash from last night. And now I'm back home and I'm about to make my lemon strawberry chantilly cake. Not me trying to Nara Smith it over here while I have pizza trash in the background from last night. Don't look at that, look at me. Does it look like it? There you go.
James.
Oh, thanks.